is the first person you think of when you hear, "I have a dream"? That would probably be me. But if I told you that I was born Michael Luther King, you might wonder if I was Martin Luther King's brother. Yeah, my birth name was Michael, and it was later changed to Martin. I was born January 15th, 1929, just in time for my life to line up with God's plan. I entered Morehouse College at age 15, which is understandable if I mention that I skipped 9th grade and 12th grade in high school. God's plan included my becoming a pastor and a leader in the civil rights movement to give Black people the right to good schools, the right to vote, and the ability to live with the same rights given to all Americans by the Constitution of the United States of America. Freedom has a price. I was jailed 29 times and almost killed, once before my death in Memphis, Tennessee, where I was shot and killed by a lone gunman. I paid the price. I knew I would. I'm glad I did. I had a dream. What about you?